This video was edited using Adobe Premiere Elements. For more information about Adobe Premiere Elements, go to https://www.adobe.com/products/premiereelements.html for more information. What should I eat? I know what I'm gonna eat. Hello, one medium-sized McDonald's fries, please. One medium fries coming right up. Here you are. Here's your medium fries. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. Here's your $20. Thank you. This looks good.
Hey, Ethan.
Yes?
You shouldn't eat that.
Why not?
Because fast food is bad for your health. What?
Why? Why is it bad for my health?
Want to know why?
Yes.
Is fast food okay to eat? Well, here is the answer. Eating too much junk food can be bad for you. Fast food industries like McDonald's and Burger King put way too much fat, salt and sugar. They increase the risk of heart disease and occur when oil in the deep fryer is heated strongly several times over a long period of time. An example is there is a TV show called Super Size Me. In Super Size Me, there was a man named Spurlock. Spurlock ate at McDonald's restaurants 3 times a day, eating every item on the chain's menu at least once. Spurlock consumed an average of 20.9 megajoules or 5,000 calories. Fast foods typically contain multiple chemicals and synthetic ingredients, which is very bad for your health. According to a CDC report, Americans between 20 to 39 years old, 44.9% of Americans consume fast food on a daily basis. When you eat too much fast food, your body does not eat enough necessary nutrients. In the long term, a diet rich in fast food could lead to issues with digestion, immunity, inflammation, heart health, obesity, and more. Michelle Obama once said the problem is when that fun stuff becomes a habit. And I think that's what's happened in our culture. Fast food has become an everyday meal.
Thank you for helping me. I did not know that.
No problem. I am happy to help.
How did you learn all this information?
Oh, look on your computer.